If you've been injured, remember, you don't have to go through it alone. You can always ask for Sam by calling 877 ask for sam or visiting askforvsam.net to get the help you need. At Silberstein Miklos, we handle car accidents, truck accidents, slip and falls, medical malpractice, motorcycle crashes, Uber accidents, premises liability, and more. We understand how stressful being hurt can be, so let us deal with the legal stuff while you focus on healing. When you need a lawyer who truly cares, ask for Sam. Call us today.